guys. This is my lobster. Whoa. Can I get a wow? Ooh. And then festival. Like, whoa. Oh, yeah, there we go. Whoa. But like, yeah. Look on it.
Original
Hello. 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 This is authentic, okay? No, this look nice, bad. Wow.
Yeah, festival.
Last time for this trip.
That time it was.
Good morning and Happy New Year. Going to Montego Bay. Today is a home day. Heading to Daddy's right now, and then we're gonna go to my aunt's, as I mentioned before, for our little dinner family festivities for today. And yeah, so we'll see what it's like today. I don't think I'm really gonna get much of the journey. We've been on the toll so many times. I feel like you guys know what it looks like driving to Montego Bay at this point. I think though when we get off the toll at Ochi, I'll start vlogging from there, because I don't really catch the scenery like during that stretch. So I'll hit you guys back up when we get there in about the next 45 minutes to an hour. Yeah, about that. Yeah. New kitchen. Chefins. New kitchen. New year. New kitchen. New breakfast. Well, my first meal for the year was lobster already. Oh, we made it back. We made it to Montego Bay. I am at my I don't even know what to call him.
Remember it?
I don't even know what to call him. You guys still refer to him as daddy. I don't know what to call him. And I'm telling me say already today for the day. Don't miss this with me. So Happy New Year! Happy New. Hello. Come move. Move. Just move, please. I said I'm in the kitchen. I am in the kitchen. Come out. Just cha.
Alright, but hurry.
Hold on the people.
Breakfast.
I have to work with them all. Wow!
Me, I can make your breakfast, make money.
Move now?
Cleaning. Outfit.
Can I get a wow?
Right now, outfit ready.
Can I get a wow?
Trouble.
Can I get a wow?
Oh, wow. Spin this up.
Wait, don't rush me. Get out. This is why so many people are not supposed to be in the kitchen. It's the same thing the lady was telling you Christmas. Come out of the kitchen. There's too much people in here. No, too much people in here.
If I in the cherish, because I didn't cook the pork roll, now we have to help, right? So I'm going to see you. Sure, go on. How you come see you, right?
Say hi.
I'm not high.
I said say hi.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
I never said you're high. You wanna be?
Ooh. Yeah.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
My father come over what? Yes.
Whoa, nothing wrong. I am sitting on the plant. Did you guys get married already? Oh, that no. Which picture? You posted the picture?
You must have the one with the single one. You forget the one there? Yeah, lobster in there. You can put lobster in the bread shoe.
Yeah, because it has its own juice.
Come start at the lobster.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Mom.
Huh? Yes, yes, yes. Huh? What you say?
Why you making me up?
Me never just wake you because you're up. Watch here, watch here. Look here, when you're on video call, you hold the phone one way. You don't need to move it around when you move around. Oh, you look so cute in your glasses. Say hi to your baby father. Hey, your baby father. I know he looks so strange, right? You don't remember what he looks like, but here he is. He's alive.
Nora.
What?
You look like a young man. You feel a violet. No, you feel a violet.
Whoa.
You feel them mother.
Look at her face.
When I see your sister.
Why? Mommy, show me the tablet. Show me the tablet. Yeah, I know I see it right beside you. Let me see it now. Alright, Mommy, later. I'll call you when I reach up. Okay? Happy New Year. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye. She's so delayed. It's just now she was about to say to the Yo. Wait. Bless you. Da da dee. Da da da. Yeah, this pot is the pot. Boy, for me, I'm sorry for no who don't consume this, but why? Why? Okay? Okay? Daddy, I need some food for the plane. So differently, what, pretzels?
Whatever you pay for, you don't get from plane.
Pretzels?
That's one of you pay good money.
But everybody gets pretzels. You have to buy a meal on the plane. No matter what seat you're in, you have to buy meals.
We used to abuse the people in food, so that's why they stop giving them food.
One little half quarter of a chicken breast that I used to feed you. These people would take plane maybe like 3 times or so. How many donkey years ago?
That is not something we really want to go on, you know.
Right. Sure. Everybody wants to travel. Even if it's not too far in. I'm gonna eat my lobster. Cause goody.
I don't trust these young people now, then. They don't know what they will do.
Which young people?
All of them.
The passengers?
Go to the flight plane, with the net plane.
Whoa, why would you say, why would you, I don't want to have this conversation now. I don't want to have this conversation now. I'll have this conversation when I land. I don't want to have this conversation now, okay? Thank you. But then again, I don't even know what to talking about because our generations are a lot, you know, there's intelligence and technologies have upgraded. Yeah, it's 2020. I was about to say 2019. It's 2020. Okay, get with the program. Get with it.
Where this set of people? Shell away. Yeah, shell it.
No.
I'm not touching it. Allergies. You know, bring me guys with that.
I wouldn't bring you. Me left you right here, so let me tell it don't, or you know, say you're not supposed to touch it.
No, so I'm not feeling the smell of that too, right?
Yo, the lobster. Red lobster, ooh? Red lobster where?
Rachel, man, but you red lobster. Man can't compare. Each one.
It's meaty and nice. Like, wow. Wow.
Top round.
Well,
Therapy for all.
Jurors like Elisa told detectives they killed the attorney together, but insisted it was Sarah's idea. Then Elisa committed suicide, proving Sarah could face trial alone. Sarah's defense claimed that she was at fault. And it was Elisa who was
and that's it for my lobster mukbang, guys. It was so good. So good. Screechy, big up yourself. I'm gonna open this reach you and you see it. Oh, because he was saying like, yo, the thing that you're doing, the recording it to go back up and put it up, like a good something that. Said more views, more business.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
Like, subscribe, share.
Hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me, we, he, she. Whoa. It's 2020, y'all. Mosquito just really bite me a while ago.
Again.
Now got me out here.
If they unclear up back, would they unclear back good enough?
I'm gonna clear up back good.
It's big.
Turn this down.
No,
them just get smaller.
Yeah, but that would let that clear up.
Hey guys, so reach over my auntie for dinner, right? Come in, everybody asleep. Nobody not ready, nobody done their year. All these things because I pranked them earlier today. Well, not them, I pranked my cousin. I shouldn't tell her because our mouth are the biggest. So I say my flight changed, so I was not going to be here. So them changed the time from 2 to 5. But that's okay if nobody's here. Daddy made pork, so just eat that and now go home. My jacket's in the car, right? Yeah? No?
You don't know what I had.
Joel, no business ball prank, you know, I made them something there. So yeah, when greatness is happening, I will come back to you guys. Okay? Okay. Bye. Plain. When I went insane, took me from the depths. When I lost my name, ooh, it's something I can live for. No weakness. Watch out, watch out. One thing, you know. Yeah, girl, I said, do weakness. When I never saw your arms. Hot. Very hot, itchy, everything. You can't do it. I can't. I'll be there when you.
No, my ear not long, but my type of ear with a long ear.
That you're beautiful, baby.
I might feel yourself too much, like.
I do what?
Feel yourself too much, like, you know, like fall in love with the long hair.
You already answered now.
But I say, since I shall don't know that way, if I continue with me.
They do it loud.
Yeah, me I come.
They do it loud.
things I get fixed. Oh yeah.
I feel like a handicap sometimes with the fingernails.
Oh girl, I don't do hair with nails.
Go sleep and watch Netflix.
We have Netflix here too.
Just put our clothes. No, not kill me.
Oh
My
God.
story got stressed out every percent.
Me.
It bought me fear.
Me.
So you come in the room vexed up.
Hi, hello, Madam Laura. I just Auntie baby also come here. So whatever you take off and put on, same so push out in the car and come.
Please not thank you.
Same so.
Come here, say, why should I really know I come? Like, go make Uncle John the fan. Didn't realize that I'm Bobby.
No, me think say she means that she name, but she not from. You know, just she not tell me something. They know say that make she say she missing
Come here, hurt her
But you
feelings.
realize and the drinks no one John Pig.
I don't know why you would have left him with that responsibility because you know Uncle John is coming
I know
not
he can't
anytime
respond.
soon. I'm gonna tell the same business boy. But he come out, hey, maybe get delete out all and group them or whatever. He could have request to come back in. Alright.
We never did that talk today.
You alright.
Oh, it's not I'm sorry, the two kicks still like so little bit.
You know, so what people? This nowadays they do it like this.
Yeah, like
Yep.
I start with the brain.
It's simple.
Yeah, I'm saying I want a wig. I mean, a wig, but then just put on like that and it looks serious like you're like that.
Oh no, you have to braid it actually into. Yeah. No, it's like a wig, but they can style it.
It's like a lacy,
It's
but
a-
you can
yeah.
part it and break through.
Get out of here.
Beautiful baby.
There's a million people underneath the sun that can find a million, one will never find the one. There's a girl who did this under social life. Was a magazine, wasn't shine bright. I'm a Superman, a fence and Lois Lane. Used to be my products, we're not with the same. And I never thought someone could love someone so much that they give up on everything.
People, I'm hungry. I'm upset on nobody not there yet. But them soon come. I have 2 hours. This babe wants to make it 20. But yeah. Oh shit, my battery's dead.
Then I'm a family and people, beer mad people. Here all the girl are going over the little picture we take. Can't bother, you know? God no, I can't bother.
But you said it's not even a kitchen, no.
Alright, well, I'm gonna have to take people picture. I probably have to use the camera to make all sure we know one of them.
Oh, I can.
Not Johnny type, yes,
Aw, ready? 1, 2, 5. Oh, that's so cute.
Let me see, I want to show one again. Okay?
sir.
All of them are brush up. This is the brush up show? Yeah, but it's here. Take it. Drop this for you.
Hello.
You know what, Fisher, we get already? Will look good?
Alright.
What you finger for? I'm pointing to him and he's pointing to me. To what?
Family. Oh, we say family. Ready? 1, 2, 5. Wait. Wait, no. Check it again.
Alright, come.
Watch here. You can't point to yourself.
Right?
Ready? 1, 2. Whoa.
Look good?
Yeah.
And then get one more with me and Joel again.
Unruly.
You want to see Monica?
Make me still go save it, but in on.
Oh.
Alright, that one. Hello,
Alright,
I'm
Anthony.
me, son.
Anthony, I'm here, Zoe.
Let me.
Oh, yeah, go.
Come on, babe, take one with my camera.
Oh, I go today.
Whoa, ready? 1, 2.
Watch out! Wait. Come again. Auntie Nadine, come again. There were your eyes did close. Ready? 1, 2. Your husband. No man. I feel your husband.
Let me see. Good.
Right?
Come, take one of the foot tonight.
Hold on. But here. Good. Hold on. Let me catch it. Hold on.
Drink water.
Wait, I didn't. Excuse me. And then the rhythm of my heart. Beating like a.
Hold on there for you. Hold on there for.
3?
Finally you can spend some time.
Wow, lucky you. Jesus. Well, I wish we're gonna get 1 3-week vacation.
Seriously?
You know what?
Who doesn't know Tina Turner?
I know what the song is.
Oh, this one be my taxi.
Hear this.
This one be my taxi.
Really?
We have to come out there to go over the first time we work.
Oh, really?
Are you good too?
Yeah, rhythm of my heart.
Rhythm of My Heart, Rod Stewart.
I think we should make a video to this song.
This song?
Oh, what's love got to do with it? Got to do with it. What's love when a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do with it? Got to do with it. Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken?
Yeah, bless it.
Go ahead.
Oh, what's love got to do with it?
Here we go.
Okay, hi people! All the way from Jamaica. Hey. What's yours? No,
Running.
that's the rhythm of her heart. The rhythm of my heart, I'll sing it like a drum. With the words I love you rolling off my tongue. I'll be singing. I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you, and then I shall never go away. Jesus, Lord, close your eyes and try. We do stay. Whoa. And then we can. Whoa. All right. Serious. It's shining. Keep shining. Know that you can always count on me. For sure. That's what family's for. The good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Play your guitar, friend. Go no.
Because it might be calling me.
So yeah, go change the flight.
What is my music?
Hey DJ, can you play that song? Shake the bells of me to a different melody. It will take a one drop. Let them play a side roll and touch. We love all the rhythm to start up. We love the whole rock. Me love it, me love it. Me love the chocolate. I want it. Okay. You got 45 more minutes up with me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Food finally come. Hello. Who out here? Nobody out here? Okay, bye.
No, you're not.
Say bye to my family. Just kidding. Bye, Auntie Nadine.
Bye, Zoe.
Thank you guys
I
for
love
inviting me. I love you too.
This is no invite. It was your party.
No, let's really plan something like how we will all be. We can plan something. Okay, we can plan something when everybody is back. Yes.
Okay, Joel. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you, Joel. Crazy, right?
Oh my gosh. Bye, Uncle Harvey.
I want to get to the one.
Nafi, did Daddy talk to you about the wedding? About the cooking part?
Not as yet, nobody.
Yeah, you talk to him.
Yeah.
He didn't talk to you yet?
No.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go get your number and call you straight and talk to you. Cause me need food. And him say I'm gonna talk to you. And you see a data from last year and now at 2020.
I was in business.
Hold on.
Put my mic phone.
What happened to Tamika's phone?
Every month in change of phone.
Because I've been trying to call her for so long and I can't reach Tamika. Not even on Facebook.
Is it good?
Yeah. Hello, we have up to the time phone, you know.
Alright.
Alright, uncle-in-law.
Alright.
It was nice. Oh, sorry. Alright. See you guys in a few. Joel and Zoe.
Yeah, Joel. J-O.
Easiest names for call.
Come on, I'm walking on.
Stop you now, ball.
Do I have everything?
Madness.
They made me put my hand luggage on the plane. You want to see the cup angle, everything mash up. Everything mash up. So maybe we do it again and send it for you. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Anyways, toodaloos. Bye. Well, you know your husband now is your immediate families now. You know what I'm saying? You guys, I'm practicing from what I saw. My examples. Yeah, everybody get married and, you know, yeah, they become one. Come.
Oh, they become one.
They become one.
So like nobody.
Daddy, hug me now, me I'll go away. Cha, I know you're not rape me again, but Jesus, go on, pretend.
Full of look, yeah.
Boy, you not pay him no mind there, right? Because if you have genuine love for him, he couldn't survive. Yes, without a daddy's love.
Me I survived for last year.
You cause the love did a chunk still, but you not see.
Toodaloo! I love you all. It was a pleasure.
Okay, Zoe.
Oh God. Well, everybody for go home now because me I go home. Me no want to stay here, but without me.
Stay all night.
Me wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind. Okay, guys, so we say goodbye to this one.
What's the blogger?
Canada vlog. Goodbye. Okay.
Yeah. Me lose.
Yeah, loose. No, me still get me DMs about my uncle.
No,
always Uncle Johnny. Me still get me DMs. Me still get me DMs. Hail up the people there, give them a little update, tell them how you is.
Uncle John, I'm back. Yeah.
Back to the flag.
Yeah.
He's back, but I'm leaving.
Yeah, we have to go now. The plane is waiting. See
Yeah,
guys
you know what I'm saying? So, you know the Schweppes,
Yes,
yeah?
international. Why?
Talk true!
No, it.
Talk true. All right, later.
All right, cool.
Look more.
See you tomorrow, man.
I'll see you guys in...
Yeah, man. See you
Oh, we can't do the goodbye cry. You have to go and carry it and lock the door. Carry the what?
The crew.
The crew will come, Uncle John.
Bachelor party go hard.
You want to go to Joel bachelor party? No, eat the two of them, babe. Well, you can't say my family never feed you. Open the door now.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye, Keems. Me really I go cry. Yeah, me know. Bye, baby. It was so good seeing you. I'll see you in a few. And it will be a lituation, okay? You guys wait for it. Wait for it, because we're going to take over the internet. Okay? All right? Okay.
Control.
Bye, babe. Under the car? Oh, my God. Okay, you're going to drive, right?
Yeah. Never want to drive.
No. I'm depressed.
Why?
I'm depressed.
Turn it up. Turn it up.
Hold this.
Just turn it. Me watch it. Still vlog it still? I pause it. Eh? I pause it.
So guys, at the airport. But now I gotta work tomorrow, you know, because I was supposed to reach in about 2 o'clock. Now I'm gonna reach in about... Well, no, I was supposed to reach in about 1 o'clock. Now I'm reaching about 2. And now I'm gonna get home till about 4 because I'm not going to Toronto. So, yeah. Toodaloo. I love you too. See you in a few. They're here with the people then, man. At least we had a really good send-off. Because that party was... Yeah, that party was my family. It's crazy. I'm so depressed that I'm leaving right now. I wish I was leaving tomorrow or something. Because we could have just rolled our lives tonight. That would have been so lit. I'm so upset. What's a soiko? Bro, I just can't wait to go on this plane and sleep.
I'm tired, please.
Are you tired?
I'm not tired, like sleep.
Sleep, roll, drive with the windows down.
Yeah, I'm playing music.
Yo, you guys, the time come and gone. It literally did not feel like, I was here for 10 days. It did not feel like, it literally feel like I literally came like this week and I'm leaving this week. Like that is how fast it feels. And I did so much. Yo, when I'm taking off the stuff off the camera, I'm like, yo, I recorded so much stuff. Not even necessarily saying that I did a lot, because we didn't really do a lot, but we did stuff, but we didn't do a lot. But I recorded a lot. But I never got to record no videos, no nothing like how I planned to do. Babe had the flu for most of the trip, literally from the beginning to the end.
I know, I'm still.
You know I'm gonna miss you too, babe. I love you too. It's like a long distance relationships, guys. Don't join them. Don't join them. Like anybody who thinks people like would like just get into a long distance relationship just to get into one would be stupid. Come. Stupid. Good night. Oh God, pass my passport, please. And it's in one of the pockets. Next in line. There we go, that way. I'm just so lazy. Like, I just be like this. What? Blessings song. Oh, my baby's sad. He's not even smiling with me. Oh, sugar plum. Sugar plum. Smile. Smile for me. I love you, babe.
Love you. Listen.
Don't worry.
That's our first game.
Can't ball in a life, man. Let's see if you see my headphones. I love you too, baby. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Let me call Daddy first. Put the headphones. Oh no, actually give it to me in my pocket.
You can keep it, can't see that.
Nedra was like, girl, I'm not touching it. Like, go on with the headphones, because it was Nedra. I left it in her car the last time. She brought it, she came, circled back, brought it for me. And then, before I even got to check in, I lost it again. Crosses. Oh, I have to restart it. SIM card removed.
Might not come up sometime.
I love you, baby. I'm gonna miss you so much. I'll call you, but I know you'll be sleeping. Alright? You sure? Oh, let me... Yes, sir. I reached. Did you guys start eating already? Oh, all right. All right. Well, have a good one. Everybody enjoy themselves. Get home safe, and I'll let you know when I reach in. All right. I love you, Daddy. Okay. Bye. I love you too. All right, later. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. You all right, babe? Babe? You all right? Babe, don't cry. Babe, don't cry. It's okay. I'll be back soon, okay? I know, I'm gonna miss you too. Look at me. The next time I come, we get married. Okay? Alright, babe? Come. I'm gonna be your wife. You're gonna be my husband. We're not gonna have to do this anymore, okay? Alright, later.
Okay.
Drive safe.
I will.
Windows down.
So. I think so.
Well guys, there you have it. The end to my trip. Press the button. Alright, I love you. See you in. Alright. Oh my god. I'll be back, guys, because I can't. So guys, I'm going through my place name, immigration, customs, whatever, immigration. I think, I don't know if my flight is delayed, it doesn't say that on my time, but on the board it does, so I don't know. But I'm here. I just watched back my footage from like the last part. I think overall, like out of all my trips, like that was the most emotional send-off of all time, like for us. Even because like normally I don't walk out back with babe, and yeah, like I don't normally walk back out with him, so like when he does cry, like I never really see him. I've always like just see like the beginning. I never actually like see, you know. And it's so funny because like whenever we're talking about the wedding and I'm just like, yo, when you see me you're gonna cry, and he's just like, Tugs, don't cry, bad man, don't cry. But I'm like, bro, you're gonna cry. And if you don't, he knows I'm turning around. I'm walking him. Yo, it's gonna be a while before I see him again, but it's gonna be worth the wait. There's just everything is finalized. It's just going up now, and yeah, paying everything off and whatever. I don't know if even if my eyelashes are coming out, so I'm pretty okay. I've been crying, as you can tell. But you guys on my Instagram have been very helpful in making me feel better about the entire situation. I hate being in a long distance relationship. Hate it. Especially in like a country like Jamaica where there's so many restrictions or so many loopholes or such a process that you have to go through in order for you as a resident in Jamaica to be able to travel to another country, whether that be another Caribbean country, an international country, whatever the case may be. That's where the difficult part comes in, because not everybody is, well, not saying that everybody isn't eligible, but the embassy, it's in their hands when it comes to certain things. And yeah, you can try, you can fail, you can try, you can get through, and then okay, great. But if you try and you fail and you don't get through, it's just like, yeah, it's hard when it's like one person that consistently has to be the one to do the traveling back and forth. Luckily for me, like, it's Jamaica. Like, luckily for me, it's Jamaica, where I get the best of both worlds, family and my husband. But then again, it's hard because it's like we're on separate sides of the island. Like even today, my family was just like, I didn't know you remember these parts, you know, because I've been absent for some time now. But so you go. My husband is my immediate family now, and yeah, I just gotta put him and us first before everything and everyone else, if that makes any sense. Not saying other people and things aren't important, but my home is important first. My marriage is important first, even though I'm not married yet. You know, you gotta act your role, like not act your role, but play your part, play your role. I don't listen, y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, great. He is tired. I just want to get on the plane and sleep. That's all that I want to do, sleep. I'm just sad and depressed. I'm going home to my bed by myself. And yeah, I was telling Babe today, I'm like, it's harder for him because he knows the feeling of sharing his bed with me. I don't. Like up there, he's never come up there for me to like know what it's like to have him in my bed. So like I'm so used to like going on trips and coming back to an empty house, so like it's whatever, like kind of the norm for me. And I don't live with anybody, so it's whatever. It gets really, really lonely. I think if I had like somebody at home, it would be a little bit better, but it's lonely, and he has like people in his house, so it's not that bad in that aspect. But yeah, shit just sucks, yo. Like the fact that it's just a procedure that stops two people who actually really want to be together from being together. Cutting time short, but the next trip will be the start of a whole new chapter and a whole new journey. So yeah, and I told myself for 2020 I'm not gonna cry on camera. Unless I'm in my wedding dress or getting ready for my wedding. So y'all ain't gonna see no tears fall from these eyes. Okay, Goody? Goody is strong. I will be back ASAP. The time is gonna fly really, 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 really fast. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next set of vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed these vlogs. I feel like we tried our best to vlog as much as we possibly could. We wanted to do so much more, but we initially had a schedule, but everything didn't go as planned. Rain came, people weren't able to meet on certain days, times got switched around, things were supposed to happen that didn't actually happen, and yeah, it was a lot. But yeah, I ended up 2019 really, really good. 2019 was overall an amazing year. But yeah, I'm grateful for all of the L's that I took. The silent ones, the not so silent ones, but the wins, they definitely outweighed the losses. So I'm grateful, and I'm looking forward to 2020. It's my year again. So I already spoke it into existence for 2019. Look, all that happened, and then 2020 is just gonna be even greater. I'm excited. So yeah, as I said, I hope you guys enjoyed these set of vlogs. If you did, please, I'm gonna end the vlogs here because it's nighttime. Literally, so y'all ain't gonna be seeing nothing, and I think I have an aisle seat, so yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these set of vlogs. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you're new, obviously subscribe. If you're returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. You guys, don't ask me for Jamaica vlogs. I'm telling you guys from now, it's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a while. Okay, it's gonna be a while, but just know it's gonna be worth the wait, because the next time Goody goes to Jamaica, it's a lituation. We getting married. we're getting married, okay? Okay, we're gonna be a whole wife. So stay tuned. Just follow along with the wedding series, so you guys are, you know, still in the loop, up to date, and going along the process with me. And I will see you guys when we're getting married. Until next time, bye. Happy New Year again. Even though it's not gonna be New Year by the time, like New Year's Day, by the time I put this video up, because going back and rewatching Jamaica vlogs for all of my Jamaican vloggers or vloggers who go back to their countries of origin, and well, not origin, ethnicity, cult background, and vlog, that have like family or loved ones wherever, you guys know how bittersweet it is when you start rewatching it. It gets exciting when you start, like, you know, making your intro and all of that stuff, but like when it comes down to editing and you realize, like, bruh, it gets depressing. So bear with me. I'll try to, well, I would have tried to put them out as much as possible, but if there was a delay, this is why, so you guys know now why. Okay, but thank you guys so much for rocking with me. 2019 again was a great year. 2020 will be greater. I will see you guys next time.